created this look on this side of my face, you see, and I use this palette because it's my favorite palette. Like, I recommend this palette. It's super bomb. And this palette is the only thing I used on my eyes, so you guys could get this at Sephora. It's called the Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4. And as you can see, I created this orange look. And this eye doesn't have anything. So I did use the E3 on this palette. I used the E3 on this palette. So I thought it would be really fun if I just, you know, just do one eye and, you know, get started. Showing you guys how to do it. And you know what, this look is so easy, and I'm about to show you guys right now. So I'm gonna get this Smashbox brush. You guys know I be on that Smashbox. Oh, that coffee's getting me a headache. I'm not gonna drink it, girl. Oof. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I already primed my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of any little crease lines that I have on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and start packing it. When I start putting on the color, I dab it. I remember it's the E3 from this palette. Dab, dab, dab. You see how pigmented it is? So bomb. Nobody could tell me nothing. Go ahead and get my blending brush. Where is it at? Where's my blending brush? Right here. Blending brush is the fluffiest brush you have on your. And then you see how I hold it? I hold it like this. Like, I don't hold it like a pencil, like all the way down here. I hold it all the way down here. So I'm just going in and blending. You see how effortlessly it blended? Ooh, that's what happens when you have some bomb palettes. You know what? I heard somebody was like, oh, the Norvina palettes, they come out with too many collections. It's too hard it's too much to keep up with them. And like, girl, nobody told you to keep up with them, girl. They're just trying to give you guys some products. If you can't afford it, then don't buy it, girl. She's like, oh, I think it's too much about money when they come out with the palettes. They come out with the palettes and it's all about money. Like, girl, why you think they make the palettes so they won't get nothing? Like, it is about money. Like, girl, shut up and enjoy your product. As long as the products are good and they're worth what you're paying for, don't say nothing. Because this girl was like, I don't even remember her name, but she was like, oh, she's a YouTuber. She's like, oh yeah, like that they don't that they be coming out too many palettes and they're really expensive. Like, not everybody has money like that. Like, yes, not everybody has money like that, girl, but if a new palette comes up and you don't have the money, then just don't buy it. Like, who cares how many palettes they come out with in a week? Like, that has nothing to do with the product. Like, you know what I mean? If the product is bomb, like, that's all I care about. That's like saying, like, you know how I do nails? That's like saying like, oh man, she comes up with too many designs. She's all about the money. Like, girl, that's the whole point. Like, everybody wants different things. Not everybody wants the same thing. Like, and of course I changed my talent for money. Like, that's what that lady's doing, the one that's making these palettes. All right, now I'm gonna go on with this cut crease. Look, it's so simple. You see how I did the, you know, I should pack up more orange. I should pack more orange. I'm gonna get the E3 again, and I'm not gonna use the fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna pack it on there. Just cause remember, blending takes away the color. Especially I need to get it in this inner corner because where the crease goes. Alright, I'm done. Now I'm gonna get this NYX primer. And it's the white one. It's the ESB01. Those are super affordable. I think they're probably like $5, but I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this cut crease. There's a little hair on my brush. I'm going with this cut crease right here. There, I did the cut crease. Now I'm gonna go in with this just a brush, or you know, a regular brush, whatever is like kind of roundy, and I'm gonna go in with that C1 from this palette. I'll make sure I grab enough and start patting that C1. Pat, 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 pat. I want all that white concealer to be covered, because when you raise your if you don't cover it, and when you're opening and closing your eyes, the concealer gets everywhere. It doesn't stay put. To grab some more. There, I think that is enough. And now, so you see how it looks funny right here? I'm gonna go ahead and get my E3 with my blending brush, dip it in the E3, the orange one, and start blending this so they can, you know, marry together in the middle of my eye. I love these Norvina palette. Like, I cannot stress enough how much I love it. It's like my favorite palette. You guys know I haven't tried no ColourPop. I haven't tried no Jeffree Star, no James Charles, cause girl, I don't have time to be going to other stores other than Sephora. Okay, and that's it. So you see that? I already created that. It's super easy. It's like 1, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna just go in with my eyeliner. Going with my eyeliner, girl. And I'm gonna go ahead and create. Oh no, I need to blend it a little bit more. Oh, get some more of this. girl. Snatched. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm so pretty, guys. Oh. So pretty. Okay, guys. So here I go. Now I'm going in here. Oh, sorry, I'm covering it. Ooh, so cute, so cute. Girl, since all this stuff is happening, I lost 3 pounds. Because I'm always eating out in the street. And now I can't. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get my little round brush. I think it's right here, girl. Oh, let's stop. Right here. So I'm gonna, oh girl, that's not it. Yeah, right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this round little brush and I'm gonna go in that E4, it's that super yellow one in this palette. And I'm gonna put it in right here in the beginning of my eye. That's it. And then I did bring my eyeliner in my little in the beginning of my eye right here, so I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. Oops, sorry, blocking it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get my mascara, my little $3 mascara from CoverGirl from Walmart. I really like this mascara. It's a CoverGirl Professional Super Thick Lash because it doesn't go all over the place. You know what? I did need to do a Walgreens haul. I love Walgreens because I accumulate points right there. Oh shoot, I forgot to put my orange at the bottom. Well, I did, guys. Go ahead and get my E3 again and brush it under all of my eye line at the bottom. There I go. I'm all set, girl. Snatched. Now I'm gonna ahead and get my eyelash, my used eyelashes. You guys know, if you guys are just starting your makeup, you reuse eyelashes till you can't reuse them anymore. Don't be throwing them away. And you guys, I don't use mink eyelashes. I use synthetic eyelashes only because I don't like how those little animals are treated. And I don't care if it says cruelty free on them. I don't want them. because cruelty free means they're still caged up. I don't approve of that. Like, I wear extensions, hair extensions, but we have a will. Like, we're the superior race on this planet, and like, if you want to cut your hair, you can cut your hair and give it to and sell it, you know? Like, nobody's making anybody do anything, you know what I mean? Like, of course they're probably selling it for because they want some food and stuff, but still, is it even trade? You know, is it even trade? They're trading their hair for food, and you know what I mean? Is it even trade? It's sad, but you know what I mean? Like, hey man, that's how life is. But I don't approve of the animal things because they're not giving an even trade. What are they getting? A little cage and plugging out their hair for no money? Girl. Are you gonna take care of their little family while you're plugging up all them little hairs off of them? No. So there you guys have it. These for sure are plastic eyelashes, plastic hair, or maybe they're called synthetic mink. Synthetic means it's plastic; it's not real mink. I be getting eyelashes like that, or human hair. The human hair ones is they get our hair and they make eyelashes with them. You know, the human hair eyelashes or something like that. I mean, the mink eyelashes look so beautiful, but I just can't. Every time I look at them, I see the little animals that they get gassed. Some of them, to make the fur, like the fur cord, they get put in a big you know, like a barrel of gas. You know how it's metal? Well, they make those into like gas chambers, and they just put all of them in there, and they gas them till they die. Girl, when I become rich, I'm not gonna buy no fur coats. Like, girl, catch me with some synthetic fur. Okay guys, that's it for this look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, please go ahead and like it, and make sure you guys leave those comments, because you know those comments help me. Okay, thank you guys. I really appreciate everything. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.